Halo by Beyonce. You got two versions. First, you need to know your G, A, E, C. If you want to do the standard version, you're just gonna strum G, 2, 3, now to A, now to E, now to C. If you want to add in that bass note that we talked about, remember, you just need to think about it where you're always playing the lowest note of the chord. So in a G and an E, I'm using all 6 strings. So when I pluck, I will always pluck E6, whether I'm playing G or E. Here's G. And then I strum 3 times down. Here's the E. Now for A and C, I don't use string E6, so I'm going to pluck string A5, A minor, and then C major, if I put it all together, I'm going to pluck E6, then pluck A5, pluck E6, pluck A5. Remember those walls I built? Well, baby, they're tumbling down. They didn't even put up a fight. They didn't even make a sound. Found a way to let you in. I never really had a doubt. Standing in the light of your halo, I got my angel now. So there you go. And that works the same with Firework.